wanted to show you about the installation of Dcal Water Softener that I had used. So I had purchased the first one almost about 8 months ago. So this is a 1000 liter capacity tank that what we have, sufficient probably a house of two, a family of two, I would say. So there's a time to replace for a reason, because I started getting the stains back. But then when this product worked for the last 6 to 8 months, I would say, it was wonderful one. So two reasons I would want to talk about this particular product of Dcal is, one is about no maintenance. It's so easy to install. You don't have to regenerate or put, because I have experience of using the actual traditional water softener, where you have to regenerate it with the salt every week or so, depending on the usage. But this one doesn't come with any maintenance. That's the first thing. And secondly, it is reasonable in price, I would say. The reason is because for a working professionals, it will be really hard to probably have to maintain it every week, so which headache is not there. And also for probably a family of like 4 or 6 people of this size would come easily up to about 8 months or more than 8 months, I would say, depending on your usage. So we really have a very hard water at home. So I used this, and then I really did not see any stains on the vessels. So that was the one benefit that what I had seen. And secondly, about even in the washrooms where we use it for our bathing, washing clothes, everything, right? So that also has a difference, in fact, with this product. So that's so what it means is that the product really works. And in fact, today I thought of installing it with a new one which I purchased recently. And probably I would look forward to have more innovative products from B5, because that's really outstanding. I've done a lot of research before purchasing this, and then I'm really happy about the product. Thank you so much.